welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox, and first let me tell you, Grabox has different variant. Today I will be unboxing Bag-O-Bag edition. So Bag-O-Bag, as you can tell by the name, it has a different style, different patterns of bag in this edition. The price for this one is 17.99 rupees, and yes, in this I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total bags. So let's start. I will be mentioning everything, the buying link and everything in the description box, so check that. And let's start with the first one. The first one is this. This is a black bag, so very safe. You can just take this on anything, like any color, you can just take it. But then it has this stripe here which has multiple colors, so it's very simple, though like it's like the color is black, so it's simple, but this color pattern is adding so much glamour, so much fashion into this bag, which I'm absolutely liking it. Then these golden things are obviously adding into it. Then you can just see the sling here, like the loops here. So they have given us a sling, so you can just attach it and you can make it a sling bag as well, which is nice. And then when you open it, so it has this zipper. So once you open it, inside there is one more pouch. So this is the pouch. So you can just keep your small thing, or you can say makeup, like makeup products in this. So they will be like sorted kind of a thing. So this pouch goes into this, and then you can close the zip. So if you like it, like you want to take it like this, you can, or if you want to add the sling, you can. So yes, I'm super happy with this one. I'm definitely going to take it. First of all, it's quite spacious. Then the color is black, so safe, but it's not boring black. It has this color scheme which is really like fashion, like adding a fashion thing into it. So yes, I like it. Now moving on to the next one, and my most favorite bag in like all of them. So this one is really pretty. You just see the color. So the color is nudish pinkish kind of a color. Then it's transparent here, so you can just open it like this. Once you open it, it has another pouch inside. So this one is transparent. The inner pouch has this color, which you can see here. So you can open this and just keep your makeup and everything inside. And this is the look. It has the sling again. So let me just show you the sling. Where is it? Okay. The sling is here. Attach the sling. These are the hoops here. So loops here. So just attach the sling. And this is a sling bag. A really pretty one. And this is the handle here. So yes, I love it. Very cute bag. I absolutely love it. And I'm definitely going to use it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is again very cute, but I think I won't be using it. I will be giving this to my niece because this is so cute. This is a backpack, and you can just see it's so small, it's so cute. So my niece is like, she's 2 years, so I know she's gonna love it. So this is the zipper. You just have to open it like this, and this like the backpack thing is here. You have to attach this here, and you are good to go. So it's very cute. I know she's gonna love it. So Vanya, this is for you, and it's very cute, very cute. I love it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is again very cute actually. So this is the one. This is the animal print kind of a thing, and it's super soft, very soft. And then it comes with this. So very pretty, very different kind of a bag. I like it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's super cute for winters. I guess this will look really nice, and the sling is silver in color, so it will give a very party look. So it's very cute. I love it. For winters, I think, yes, I'm definitely going to take this, and I'm gonna love it because you can just see, I mean, I can feel it. It's so soft, it's so different. So yeah, super happy with this one as well. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is a cute pouch, or you can say a wallet, and this is the one. I love the color. You can just see the color. It's so pretty. It's that bluish tealish kind of a color, and it has this beautiful sequence here of stones, not stones, I mean that gold beads kind of a color. And then inside you can see the card slots are here, so you can keep 1, 2, 4 cards here. And then once you open it, it has 2 partitions here, 2 partition, 1 zipper here, and this part is really cute. So yes, this is the last pouch. And if you ask me, I love all bags, but the best, I've already told you, this one, because I know this is very different. I don't have anything of the sort. So yes, I'm definitely going to use this. Then this is again very cute. As I've said, I'm going to give this to Vanya, and I'm sure she's gonna love it. Then this animal print thing for winters, I'm sure this is going to look so stunning. So yes, happy with this as well. The safe bag. So yes, I love it for traveling and everything. This one is just perfect. And then left the wallet. Wallet is of course again very useful, and this thing is really cute. So yeah, I love the curation. They have added one bag from each segment. One backpack is there, one safe bag, I mean the traveling bag is there, or you can say office bag is there, then a wallet is there. So I love the curation, and I'm super happy. And if you ask me, yes, I can say you can go ahead and purchase this box, because I love it. Personally, I like it, and I've showed you the box, so all the bags. So if you like it, go ahead and buy this box. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.